What's up, YouTube? No Cost Garage. Working on a 2016 Nissan Sentra SV. We have a throttle sensor light, engine light on the thing, and the car keeps randomly not running or going very far. So this is what it looks like. It's the whole pedal assembly. Seems like 2 bolts, plug, and this little clip. So it's a 10mm. We got electric ratchet. Makes it a lot easier. A little mini screwdriver right here to pop the plug in case it's a little hard. Already hit the bolts a little loose. Good. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. Plug came right out. So seems like this is a fairly easy job. All you gotta do is get under here and do it. Put this back in. There's that little clip you gotta slide in back there. That's it. Good job. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe.